My name is Irene and I'll be doing the YLOC 5th grade lesson 5 millions and billions. So for the first question, write the number in short word form, exponent form, and expanded form using exponents. So since I have a mouse pad, I'll be using a text box. This number is in the millions, so we'll start off there. So it would be 213 million 456,075. So now moving on, it asks for expanded form. So for expanded form, we just expand the whole number. So it would be 200 million plus 10 million plus 3 million plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 70 plus 5. Now for exponents, I'll draw this one out. So we look at the first digit for each and then count the digits afterwards. So it would be 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then to the power of no, my bad. So it'd be 2 and then times 10 to the power of 8. And then we put them in parentheses, and then plus 1 times 10 to the power of 7 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 6, and then 4 times 10 to the power of 5, plus 5 times 10 to the power of 4, and then plus 0 times 10 to the power of 2, and then times 7 times 10, and then there's no more power, so it's just 7 times 10, and then plus 5. So this would be it written out in expanded form using exponents. So moving on, it says order each set of number from greatest to least. So for number 4, there's four numbers, sets of numbers, and what we're gonna do is look at the first number for each number and see which one has the highest digit. And when we look at it, this one has a 1, 3, 5, and 7, so the highest number would be 734. So since the first digit of 734 is the greatest out of all of the 4 of them, we're going to place it as our first number. Then out of 1, 3, and 5, 5 is the greatest, so the next number would be 536. And then since 3 is bigger than 1, it would be 322. And then the last number would be 153. Okay, moving on. So it says write the value of the underlined digit in short word form. So this one, let's check how many digits it has. So this is the 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 billion, billion, and 10 billion. So for the digit we're looking for is the billions. So, and we have to write it out in short word form. So we just have to write 4 billion. So I'll do another one. So I'll do number 6. So this one, it has ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. So since the underlying number is 2, and that's the 100 million, all we have to write is 200 million. Okay, moving on. So this one says write in standard form. So we have to look at the first digit for each and the word. So this is 8 million. So we start off with an 8 and then comma and then 345,000. So 345, and then comes a comma and then 752. I'll do another one. So this one's 3,014,585. So we start off with the 3 and then comma. And then since 14 it's in the tens digit and there's no and nothing in the 100 million, we just put a 0 and then 14 comma and then 500 and then since 85 is in the tens, it would be 85. Wait, no. Sorry, I did it wrong. My bad. So it would be 3 billion 14, and then since it doesn't indicate any thousands, we're just that 100 thousands, we're gonna put zeros and then 585. Sorry, my fault. So write in expanded form using exponents. So this is basically the same thing we did above on the top of here. So all we have to do is do it again. So this would be, so I'll write it out this time again using a text box because that took a long time. So it would be 2 times 10 to the power of 7 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 6. Oh. And then 6 times 10 to the power of 5 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 4 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 2 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 10 plus 5. So this would be the expanded form using exponents for 23,634,235. Okay, we're done. Bye.